G'day guys, today we'll show you videos taken in 3 country towns of Victoria. We took 4 videos of murals which are along the northeast Victorian silo trail. The first one is a unique mural in Gurumbat. Here you can see a house, or is it? Let's have a closer look. It's not a house but public toilets near the Gurumbat silo art. Artist Simon White has transformed the outside of the public toilets in Gurumbat to look like an old cabin. The mural depicts the story of a family with a young boy jumping off the veranda with his dog while his mum watches on. The next one is a mural, again on public toilets, this time in Devonish, which depicts a soldier, a nurse and a few poppies in the background. It's another lovely piece of artwork to honour Australian servicemen and women who served in the past wars. On our way back from the Devonish silos, which were painted by Cam Scale, we saw a sign that said there was a new piece of artwork on a building in a side street. So guess what? Yep, we had a look, and there was an awesome piece of artwork which was a signature trademark of our favourite silo artist, Tim Botel. As you can see, the homestead and the steam train are very similar to his amazing silo art trail piece in Colbinabin. He is renowned for painting historical events, and we really love his colourful depictions of Australian history. We really wish to see Tim Botel in person while he paints the town red. Maybe ask for his paintograph, yeah, and also a souvenir photo with him. Maybe. The next mural is in Tungamah. Here you can see a small school building painted in blue as the background for 5 big sunflowers and 3 colourful eastern rosellas. We just passed it after filming the Tungamah silo art, and the building is a kindy school in Tungamah. So there you go, you have just seen more artwork in country Victoria. We still have to go to the other sides of the silo art trail, but until then we will show you the different types of artwork in Australia, especially to those artists, or to those art enthusiasts like us. Remember that if you love art and appreciate the talent of all the artists that put a lot of time and effort into their work, for us who are modernists, aesthetics, you are on the right channel. Aesthetic people are beautiful, happy, bright and positive people. So let's appreciate art together and build a beautiful online community for many to see and appreciate. So, as not to miss our next videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit that notification bell. See you again next time guys. Have a great day.